Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design a poster like this. For the first step, we need to create a new document. So go to the File, New, and create a new document with 9020 width and 1080 for height. Press Create. Now I'm going to start from my background layer. I already have two photos right there. The first one called Sample and the second one is called Mid. I'm going to drag and drop mid one to my document, and from the option bar choose the three dots, make sure align to is set to canvas and align it like this. Now go to the layers panel, activate it. Let's change its name to background, or let's just unlock the background layer, delete it and make sure it's already activated. Go to the layer, new, and choose background from layer and you're done. Make sure it's already activated, and this time go to the filter, blur gallery, and choose path blur. Now choose the left point and move it right there, and do the same for the right side. Okay, now from the options, increase speed like 500 pixels and endpoint speed, just make sure to increase it to 2000 pixels. After you're done, press OK. Now we need to add a new guide layout. Go to the menu bar, choose View, Guides, and New Guide Layout. Make sure columns is deactive and active rows, and put 3 for numbers and nothing for height and gutter. And make sure to active margin and put the top, left, bottom, and right font to 25 pixels. After you're done, press OK. Now from the toolbar, choose rectangle tool and a simple left click on your canvas like this and put it to 1050, and for the height 327 pixels, and for the radius just put it to 20 pixels and press OK. Now just align it to the center, make sure it's already selected. 3 dots, make sure align to is set to canvas, and just choose these 2 icons to align it to the center. Now go to the mid one again and just drag and drop it to our document. Align it again like this, and go to the layers panel, right click and choose create clipping mask. Now active rectangle one layer and double click on the empty space of this layer. So we already have layer style. Let me put it right there so we can see what is going on. From the layer style panel, just make sure to active stroke and change its position from outside to inside, and increase the number to 4, and I'm gonna change the color to white. After you're done, press OK. Now get back to the topmost layer, press Ctrl or Command T to adjust the size and position like this. After you're done, press Enter. Now go to the toolbar and choose rectangle tool again, a simple left click, and 343 for width, and the same for our height, and for the radius change it to 15 and press OK. We need to align it again, so make sure it's already activated and align it to the center like this, and move it a little bit like this. So I think it's fine. Now press Alt and just drag and drop like this, and one more time for the left side, hold Alt and Shift and just drag and drop like this to get this result. Now go to the layers panel, choose the topmost layer, hold Shift and click this one, press Ctrl or Command G to make a group of our rectangles. Let's change its name to top. Okay, we need to make a copy of our group, so make sure our group is activated and press Ctrl or Command J and change its name to bottom. Okay, press Ctrl or Command T and just move it like this on this area. After you're done, press enter. Now it's time to drag and drop our sample photo. So I'm going to this photo and just drag and drop like this. We need to use clipping mask again, so make sure it's already activated. Right click and choose create clipping mask. Press Ctrl or Command T to adjust the size and position like this. Okay, we already clip it on our bottom one. It's fine, just make sure to activate it and just move it like this. Again, active this layer number 2 or our sample layer. Right click and choose create clipping mask, and there you go. Press Ctrl or Command T and adjust the size and position like this. After you're done, press enter. Now we need to make a copy of this layer. Let's change its name to sample top. Okay, press Ctrl or Command J and change its name to sample bottom. Now just drag and drop it to between these two groups and do the same. Just simple right click and choose create clipping mask, or there is another way. Just put your pointer right there between two layers, hold Alt. It's already ready to make the changes. Just a simple left click and there you go. Press Ctrl or Command T and adjust the size and position again. After you're done, press enter. Now, if you notice, we have a problem right there. We need to fix these hairs. There are lots of ways to fix this part. You can use clone stamp, patch tool, or whatever you want, guys. I'm just gonna create a new layer like this and clip it to the bottom one. I'm gonna take my clone stamp and fixing this part like this. Okay, it's done. Now go to the layers panel and we need to copy our layer style for the top and bottom group. So hold Alt, move your pointer right there, click, drag and drop it right there. So we already have this stroke on our bottom one, and do the same for the top group. So click and a simple drag and drop, so we already have the same result. Now for the last step, take your text tool and just write your custom text. I'm gonna write love and actually put it right there. You can do whatever you want, and there you go, guys. It's done. Much appreciated as usual, and I'll see you in the next video.